Welcome to the new HMI Proface video. Today I will present the latest Atom box, which belongs to the PS6000 series. We have the Advanced, Standard and Basic. So Atom box belongs to the basic range. Then, as you know, marketing is demanding more and more open platform. So on Atom box we have Windows installed. Then also it's really interesting to have this Atom box on the edge layer, because then you can communicate to the IT platform and OT platform, so you can get data from the machines or any other device, and thanks to the Atom box you can send to IT. Then also one of the most challenge in the market, especially on the industry market, is to improve efficiency, to download misoperation. So thanks to this powerful Atom box, we can do it. Then many installations probably you have seen, like the basic HMI. It's an HMI with a real-time operating system, which is perfect for most of the use case. But sometimes, as I said, you need maybe a Windows. Then with the same software, which is GP Pro, you can download to the Atom box. So almost the same application you can see on the Atom box, which is great. Then with the Atom box we have from 10-inch, this is the smallest, up to 22-inch with full HD resolution, which many applications will be really interesting to have a huge screen and you can see many things. So one of the important things to use a GP Pro or Blue is that on the top of this you can launch any other third-party applications like a movie player or PDF manuals or even some 3D model. So you can launch on the top of your HMI application. So inside your HMI application you will be this other PDF or even a camera IP. So it's very demanding to show the image of the camera, so you can do it. Then you can do with a GP Pro, Blue, or even if you need like an SCADA, so you can use also Blue Open Studio. Okay, so talking about IT and OT, you get all this raw data. Then sometimes you need to filter to make some report. So we recommend you to use a Pro Server EX, so you can do some nice reports on Excel or on PDF or sending mails, which is very demanding from the market. Then if you even need to send more information to the cloud, you can use also AVEVA system platform, which is also interesting. So last point, but it's also really important, is that if you install Atom box on some machines, on some installations, the customers will be worried about the Windows, because they're expecting to have just the HMI. So now, on a very easy way, you can configure that your HMI application will just auto start. So you don't need to enter Windows password. You just power on the machine and it will auto start. So it's really good for end users and operators. And also about power off the machine, we have one option to enable write filter, and then we protect the hard disk, so you can switch off the machine without problem and in a safe way. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you have any other questions, you can check proface.com. So thanks for watching.